And my boy does. Let me check on my ride real quick. We good?
You got it pretty good.
Yeah.
See, I'll put up a fight with this bitch right here. Watch.
Oh, I should be a little bitty ass one.
I'm gonna put a fight. Come on, bitch.
Yeah, he good eating.
Yeah, he good eating. Hold up.
Try to pull him. Come get him.
That's right, boy. That's how we do it around here.
Oh.
Stripers.
Yeah.